Hello friends, is your check engine light on and showing code P0448? This might seem like a small issue, but it can lead to fuel vapors getting trapped, difficulty refueling, and even failing an emissions test. In this video, I'll explain what P0448 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. What is P0448? The P0448 code stands for Evaporative Emission Control System, Vent Control Circuit Shorted. Your car's EVAP, Evaporative Emission Control System, prevents harmful fuel vapors from escaping into the air. The vent control valve, vent solenoid, is responsible for opening and closing to regulate airflow. When the ECU detects that the vent control valve circuit is shorted, meaning it's stuck closed or receiving incorrect voltage, it triggers P0448. This means the EVAP system cannot release trapped vapors, leading to pressure buildup. Common symptoms of P0448, check engine light, CL, on, difficulty refueling, gas pump shutting off repeatedly, strong fuel odor near the car, poor fuel efficiency, and failed emissions test. Ignoring this issue can lead to excess pressure in the fuel tank, reduced fuel efficiency, and difficulty refueling. To diagnose P0448, you need to locate the key EVAP system components. The EVAP vent control valve, or vent solenoid, is located near the fuel tank or charcoal canister. This controls airflow into the EVAP system. The EVAP purge control valve, or purge solenoid, is found near the intake manifold and is responsible for drawing fuel vapors into the engine. The charcoal canister is positioned near the rear of the vehicle, close to the fuel tank, and absorbs excess fuel vapors. The fuel tank pressure sensor is mounted on or inside the fuel tank, monitoring pressure changes in the EVAP system. Lastly, the EVAP wiring and connectors run between the ECU, vent solenoid, and other EVAP components. Check your car's service manual for exact sensor locations based on your vehicle model. Now let's talk about the common causes of P0448. A faulty EVAP vent control valve or vent solenoid may be stuck closed or shorted internally. Shorted or damaged wiring such as frayed, corroded, or burnt wires can cause a circuit short. A blown fuse can also be a culprit. If the EVAP vent solenoid fuse is blown, the circuit may remain shorted. A blocked EVAP vent hose, which could be clogged or kinked, prevents proper ventilation. And although rare, a bad ECU or engine control module could misread vent valve signals and trigger the code. So how do you fix P0448? First, use an OBD-II scanner to confirm P0448 and check for additional codes. Next, locate the vent control valve near the fuel tank and inspect its wiring and connectors for damage. Then test the vent solenoid with a multimeter. If there is no voltage or it's stuck closed, replace it. Check the fuse for the EVAP system and replace it if it's blown. Inspect the EVAP hoses and charcoal canister for clogs and clean them if necessary. If all components check out, test the fuel tank pressure sensor for faults. Finally, clear the code with an OBD scanner and test drive to confirm the issue is fixed. The P0448 code is usually caused by a faulty vent valve damaged wiring or a blown fuse. Fixing it restores proper EVAP function and ensures better fuel efficiency. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0178, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit Low Input, and P0179, Fuel Composition Sensor Circuit High Input. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.